and JuJu. Kat liked to do things her very own way. When she colored, she always stayed inside the lines. She found wonder in places no one else thought to look. Sometimes she told her secrets to trees. She never told anyone what she said. Nobody knows but you. She knew the other kids wondered about her, but she was too shy to talk to them. Sometimes she got lonely. Kat couldn't wait for her next birthday. That's when her very best friend would arrive. At least, that's what had happened to all the other kids. It would be the best birthday present in ever. On the morning of her birthday, Kat bounced down the stairs. Hi, Kat. I'm JuJu. Happy dappy bappy birthday! Kat knew that she and JuJu were definitely going to be the very best friends. JuJu was silly and had a big laugh. He colored outside the lines. He saw things differently than she did. Cannonball! Nothing seemed to frighten him. Kat wondered if he would still like her. JuJu stayed by Kat's side. He tried to help her to be brave. Sometimes you've just got to let go and do a happy dance. Kat wished she could. But what if everyone laughed? JuJu didn't care what others thought. He just kept on dancing. Poor little birdie, it must be cold. Until something made him stop. The birdie looked frightened. Kat knew what that was like. Don't be scared. I am here. Let's take care of it. But what if I can't? With JuJu's help, Kat nursed the birdie back to health. Let's hug the tree. One day, that will be you. Bit by bit, the birdie got stronger, but it was still too scared to fly. Kat tried everything she could to help. Whee! Whoa! One day, something wonderful happened. The birdie was brave enough to fly on its own. Fly, birdie, fly! Then, something even more surprising happened. For a moment, Kat stopped worrying about what everyone else thought. We did it! This calls for a happy dance! What? Oh. And that made her happy. Kat still did things her very own way, but she wasn't lonely anymore.